Yes, now students, our next question is expanded form. Expanded form. The questions based on expanded form. How to expanded form and how to write in simplified form. If simplified form is given, then how to write in expanded form. When expanded form is given, then how to write in simplified form. Here, 2098. First write the place values here. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. In this, we have to write this in expanded form. How to write in expanded form? 2 is in thousands place, then we have to write 2000. 2 is in thousands place, so that is where we are. So we have to take here 2000. So in hundreds place 0 is there, no need to take that 100. Okay, why? Because here 0 is there. So whenever 0 is there, no need to take 0. Okay. Now this is in tens place. Then 9 into 10 is 90. Then 8 is in ones place. That 8 ones are 8. This is in expanded form. Now here again ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. 3 is in thousands place. 3000. 1 is in hundreds place, so 100, and after that plus, then 8 is in tens place, that is 80, after that plus sign, then 9 is in ones place, 9 ones are 9, like this. Now here, ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. 9 is in thousands place, 9000. Plus 7 is in hundreds place, 700, plus 1 is in tens place, 1 tens are 10, then 5 is in ones place, 5 ones are 5. Now this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. 9 is in thousands place, that is 9000, plus 8 is in hundreds place, 800, and after that plus 7 is in tens place, that is 7 tens are 70, plus 6 is in ones place, 6 ones are 6. Then ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. 7 is in thousands place, 7000. 4 is in hundreds place, 400, plus 3 is in tens place, 30, plus 4 is in ones place, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So in this way we have to write. Then after that, so this is when simplified form is given, then this is expanded form, then expanded form. So it is in expanded form, simplified form or short form. Simplified form or short form. We have to write in short form. Then expanded form is here. First you have to write here place values. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 100 and 1000. 6000. 6 is in thousands place. In thousands place 6. 6000. 800. In hundreds place 8. And 30 means 3 tens. In tens place 3 and ones place 4. Like this we have to write in short form. We have to write in short form. Then you keep a comma after hundreds place. After hundreds place. Now here ones place, here tens place, here hundreds place, here thousands place. Then how many thousands are there here? 4000. So in thousands place 4. Then how many hundreds are there? There is no 100. There is no 100. So hundreds place 0. Then 90 means 9 tens. In tens place 9. And in ones place 1. In ones place 1. Then after ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. In thousands place 1000 is there. In thousands place 1000. In hundreds place 800. In tens place nothing is there. In tens place so 0. In ones place 9. In ones place 9. So this is when expanded form is given. So then we have to write in short form or simplified form. It is also called simplified form. So also called short form. When short form is given, then this is expanded form. When expanded form is given, this is short form. So these all are expanded forms. Expanded forms of 4-digit numbers. How many digits? 4-digit numbers. Expanded form. When expanded form is given, then short form. So then this is the expanded form. Then this is a short form. This is a short form. This is a expanded form. Whatever question. If simplified form, if short form is given, then you have to write an expanded form. If you ask expanded form is given in short form, then you follow this one. Okay? Now, the next question, identify the numerals and write even or odd in the box. So here some questions are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 problems are given. So these problems we have to say either it is an even number, either it is an even number or an odd number. So which one it is? So how to say that the number is even or odd? So this last ones place value. In ones place what is there? 1 is there. So 1 is even number or odd number? 1 is odd number. What are the odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are the odd numbers. Even numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are even numbers. Even numbers are the numbers which are divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. The numbers which are divisible by 2 are even numbers. The numbers which are not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Not divisible by 2 means so they leave the remainder 1 when divided by 2. When divided by 2 to that number, the remainder is 1. So we are getting remainder 1. If we are getting remainder 1, then that is the odd number. So when if the complete number is divisible by 2, the number is even. Okay. Now here even number or odd number we have to write. Here 1 is odd number. So this complete number is odd number. This is odd number. Here 6. 2 3s are 6. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2. So it is even number. This number is only we have to check ones place value. In the ones digit what number is there. Either it is even number or odd number. If the even number is there, then the number is even. If the number is odd, then the number is odd. Okay? Here 3. 3 is not divisible by 2. So it is odd number. So it is odd number. 7. 7 is also not divisible by 2. So it is odd number. It is odd number. Odd number. Now here 199. This 9. 9 is odd number. It is not divisible by 2. So this is odd number. Here 4. 2 2s are 4. So it is divisible by 2. Divisible by 2. One's place is divisible by 2. So it is even number. So here one's place value is 8. It is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. So it is even number. Here 7. 7 is not divisible by 2. So it is an odd number. It is an odd number. It is an odd number. Okay. So even numbers and odd numbers. Even numbers means the numbers which are divisible by 2 are called even numbers. And odd numbers, the numbers which are not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Now, what are the even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these numbers there in the ones place, then the number is even number. Other than this means 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These numbers will come in ones place, then the number is odd. So this is the difference between even numbers and odd numbers. Okay. Now, 7th one. Write the successor. Successor means very next. Means the next number. The predecessor means before number. Successor means so after the number, after and before. So here 485 after number is, after 485 which number will come? 85, after that 86, 5 after 5 6. We have to check last number. After 5 6 will come. So this is as it is. 48 we have to take as it is. After 5 which number will come? 6. 486. So this is the successor of 485. So in this number, in this here also, here the last place is 6. 6 means we have to take after 6 7 will come. This we keep as it is. 3078 means 3786. 3786 successor is 3787. 87. Next 56. 56 successor is 57. 6 successor is 7 and 5 as it is. 57 is the successor of 56. So like this we have to write successor. Successor means after the number. After this number which number will come? That is the successor of that number. So this is successor concept. Okay. Yes, now students, next wait. Write the predecessor of the given numbers. So given numbers, 3 given numbers are given. So 8,724,000. The other one is 79. So in this number we have to write predecessor. We have to write predecessor of this number. Predecessor means before number. Predecessor means before number. Successor means after the number. After the number. Here predecessor is asking predecessor. Before number we have to write. Here 4 is there. 4 before number is 3. 4. So just we have to check the ones digit number. Ones digit number. What is there in ones place? 4 is there. So we have to decrease 1. 3. Then this one same. 8,723. 8,723. This is the predecessor of this number. Next 1000. 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number. So what is the predecessor of this 1000? So for 1000, so we should get the biggest, the largest, the greatest 3-digit number. That is 999. 999. This is the predecessor of 1000. So if you want to find the predecessor, whatever the number is there, if you want to find the predecessor, just you make 1 minus from the number. 1 minus from the number. So 1000 minus 1. Do 1000 minus 1. Then you will get predecessor. For successor, you have to add 1. For predecessor, you have to subtract 1. So this is only the basic concept. So if any difficulty is there finding the successor or predecessor, just you make minus 1 from the number, then you will get predecessor. So if you add plus 1, then you will get successor. How to get successor, how to get predecessor, you know. Successor means we have to add plus 1. Predecessor means we have to subtract minus 1. This is only the difference between successor and predecessor. So generally most of the sums, so directly we know, so what is the successor and what is the predecessor. If like this type of numbers will be there, so if you get this type of numbers, just to make minus 1 from the number, then you will get predecessor. Now 79, 9 is the 8, 78 is the predecessor of 79. So like this we have to write successors and predecessor. Next, fill in the blanks. Counting by 2 means skip counting. So we have to skip 2 numbers and we have to fill this blanks, given blanks. Here counting by 2 is given, by 2, counting by 2. 4, counting by 4, 5, 6. Next 26. Next 6, 7, 8. Counting by 2. 8, 9, 10. Counting by 2, 10. Then after 10, 11, 12. 12. Then after 12, 13, 14. So this is skip counting as well as counting by 2. Counting by 2, we can say counting by 2 also. Counting by 2 means we have to increase 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and we have to fill the blanks. And the next, counting by 4. Counting by 4. So what we have to do? We have to increase 4, 4, 4 and we have to fill the given blanks. 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Counting by 4, next number is 12. Then after 12, counting by 4 means we have to increase 4. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. After 16, counting by 4, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. After 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That is their given. After 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. This is counting by 4. Counting by 4, counting by 2, whatever is there. So just we have to see here what is given. Counting by 2. Counting by 2 means we have to increase 2, 2, 2, 2 and we have to fill the blanks. Counting by 4 means we have to increase by 4, 4, 4, 4 and we have to fill the given blanks. Next, write the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Increasing order means from smaller to bigger we have to write. Smaller number first, little bit bigger, and the biggest. In that way we have to write in ascending order. So this is one number, this is second number, this is third number, this is fourth number. Totally 4 numbers are given. Then how to write these numbers in ascending order? Ascending order. In short we can write AO. AO means ascending order. Ascending order. Then first we have to decide which one is smaller. Smaller one we have to decide first. Then how to compare the numbers? So which one is smaller and which one is bigger? We have to count the numbers from left to right. Left to right. That is from thousands place to ones place. From 1000 digit to ones digit. First you count in 1000 digit. What is there? Here 2 is there. Here 2 is there. Here 2 is there. Here 2 is there. In all are equal numbers are given 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So then we go for ones place. 1, 1, 3, 9. In 1, 1, 3, 9. This one and this one are smaller than 3 and 9. So in these two again we have to decide which one is a smaller one. After that 9, 9 and 3. In 9 and 3, 3 is a smaller. This we have to write first, this is in second. In hundreds place 1 is there, hundreds place 3 is there and 3 is a bigger. This is in third place. And after 3, 9 will come, this is in fourth place. Like this we have to decide and we have to write in ascending order. So which one is the least means smallest one? 2139, this is the smallest one, and bigger than this 2193, and bigger than this is 2319, and bigger than this is 2913. 2913. So in this way we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order. Now the second question, ascending order. Ascending order. Then first, how to compare from thousands place to hundreds place. In thousands place 9, 2, 7. This is first number. This is second. This is third, and this is fourth. In the first numeral 9 is there, and second 2 is there, 7 is there, and 6 is there. In this 2 is a smaller one. This we have to write first. After 2, which one is smaller among this? 6 is smaller. We have to take this one second. And third, 7 is the third, and 9 is a bigger than all. This is in fourth place. In this way, we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Then first smallest one, 2109. Then after that, second one. What is the second one? 6579. This is in second place. And third is 7508. And the last one is 9210. So in this way we have to compare and we have to write. Now this in ascending order. Ascending order. How to compare? We have to compare first thousands places. 3. This is first numeral, second numeral, third numeral, fourth numeral. First we have to compare 1000 places first. In 1000 place 3 is there, 3 is there. 7 is there, 6 is there. This 7 and 6 both were greater than these 3 and 3. So in these two we have to decide which one is smaller first. 3000, 3000. Here after that 700 is there, here 500 is there. In between 7 and 5, this is a smaller. This we have to take first, this is second. After 3000, 6000 will come. 6000 will come. This is in third place, this is in fourth place. Okay, now you start. First 3576 is a smaller one, little bit bigger. 3765, then a little bit bigger, 6753, and biggest one 7365. Ascending order, increasing order. All these are in increasing order. Now, in this is first numeral, second numeral, third numeral, fourth numeral. First, second, third, fourth. How to compare? So we start comparing from thousands places. 1000 place. In 1000 place, 8 is there, 8 is there, 8 is there, 8 is there. All are equal. Then we go for next place. Hundreds place. 5, 7, 9, 1. 5, 7, 9, 1. So which one is smaller? 1 is smaller. This we have to take first. After that 1, 5. This is in second. After 5, 7 will come. This is in third. After 7, 9 will come. This is in fourth. In this way we have to write. First 8192 first. Second 8529 second. 8716 third. 8901 in fourth place. In fourth place. All these are in ascending order. Ascending order questions. Take here. Now, the second one. So comparison of numbers means ordering the numbers. Ascending order or descending order. So here in the second, descending order is given. Descending order means decreasing order. DO means descending order in short form. Descending order. So then descending order means decreasing order. First we have to take bigger in this. So vice versa this means in ascending order, increasing order, in descending order, decreasing order. First we have to take bigger number. Then how to compare? Here number of digits variation is given. Digits variation is given. In previous sums all 4-digit numbers are given. But here in this question digits variation is given. In some questions 2-digit questions were given. Some 2-digit numeral is given. 3-digit numeral is given, 4-digit numeral is given. So in this way it is given here. First 2-digit numerals are smaller. After that 3-digit numerals. After that 4-digit numerals. So in this order we have to take. 3-digit numerals, this is the smaller one. Smallest one. This is bigger than the 2-digit number. This is double-digit number. This is triple-digit number. These two are 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers are bigger. So these. 4-digit numbers are bigger number. In this bigger number, first we have to compare these two bigger numbers. 4-digit numbers we have to compare first. Here how to compare? We start comparison from thousands place. What is there in thousands place? 6 is there. And what is there in thousands place? 8 is there. In 6 and 8, which one is bigger? 8 is bigger. This is first place. This is in second place. After completing 4-digit numeral, then we go for 3-digit. This is in third place, and double-digit is in fourth. In this order we have to arrange in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. 8042 first, 6153 second, and 589 next, 35 last. So these are in ascending order. Now descending order. So descending order again. One more question. More 2 questions are there. So descending order. So then how to compare? First we have to take a bigger one. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 4 are 4-digit numbers only. We start from comparing. They are starting comparison from thousands places. Thousands place 1 is there, 1 is there, 5 is there, 3 is there. 5 is a bigger. So that bigger number we have to take first. 5163. After 5, 3, 3615. After 3, 1 and 1. These two are equal. Then after that 6 and 5. In 6 and 5, 6 is a bigger. 1635. Then after that 1536. These are in descending order. Now the last descending order. One more question is there in textbook. Total 4 questions were given. So 3 questions I am showing on the board. Remaining 1 question is there that you do as your homework. This is first, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth. Then how to compare? We start comparing from thousands place. What is there in thousands place? 7, 1, 8, 2. 7, 1, 8, 2. This 8 is a bigger. Take bigger number. 8217 first. After 8, which number will come? 7. 7820. After 7, 2000. 2817. And the last 1287. So like this we have to compare the numbers. Either it is ascending order or descending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers in increasing order. Descending order means we have to arrange the numbers in descending order. Then how to compare the numbers? We start comparison from thousands place to ones place, 1000 digit to ones digit. So then if the numbers, if 4 digit number, 3 digit number, 2 digit numbers are given, then 4 digit number is bigger than all, then 2 digit numbers are smaller than all. So number of digits are more, the number is greater. If number of digits are less, that number is less value. Okay, sometimes he will give mix up, means 3 digit numbers also sometimes he will give 1 digit and 3 digit, 2 digit and 4 digit. So in that if he give like that, so then single digit number is there, that is a smaller one. 2 digit numbers are bigger than the single digit number, and 3 digit numbers are bigger than the 2 digit numbers, and 4 digit numbers are bigger than the 3 digit numbers, like this. So we have to choose and we have to write according to the question given. If ascending order is there, then write in ascending order. If descending order is there, write in descending order. Okay.